Welcome class. My name is Professor Eric Cash. I am Alfred Stirrup's piano teacher. Alfred asked me to teach this class and so, here I am. Alfred afforded me the opportunity to conduct the class in any way I choose. So, I decided to ask a few of my friends and colleagues from the old days to assist me in this presentation. They are Professor George Moxey, teacher of the Bahamian writer, arranger, and producer, Henry Moss. I also invited Professor Timothy Gibson, the author and composer of our national anthem. Today, we are going to learn about keyboard patterns. Music is all about patterns. So pay close attention to each pattern. To get started, click Professor Moxey to learn about chromatic pattern.
Thank you. Professor Cash stated, music is all about patterns. Here, we will learn about the chromatic pattern. Repeat the word with me. Are you ready? Let's go. Chromatic. Again, chromatic. Chromatic is a big word that means counting the keys from 1 to 12. The image shows the chromatic pattern on the keyboard. Count each key with me. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. To see and hear chromatic patterns, watch the video below.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Professor Moxey introduced you to the chromatic pattern. I am going to introduce you to color patterns of the keyboard. The patterns are 1. Black key pattern, and 2. White key pattern. The black key pattern is the pentatonic pattern. Say pentatonic pattern. Ready? Let's go. Pentatonic pattern. The white key pattern is the ABC pattern. Say ABC pattern. Are you ready? Let's go. ABC pattern. Let us now talk about the keys of the color pattern. There are 5 black keys, and 7 white keys. The image to the right shows how we count the color pattern of the keys. Each color pattern is called a scale. Scales are used to read, write, and play melody. Watch the video and see how we use the pentatonic and ABC patterns to play Mary Had a Little Lamb. Professor Gibson introduced you to the color patterns of the keyboard. He also showed you how to play Mary Had a Little Lamb, using the pentatonic pattern, and the ABC patterns. I am going to show you how the color pattern is divided into 2 grouping patterns. The first grouping pattern is the 2, 3 pattern. Say 2, 3 pattern. Are you ready? 2, 3 pattern. The second grouping pattern is the 3, 4, pattern. Say 3, 4, pattern. Are you ready? 3, 4, pattern. The 2, 3, pattern has 2 black keys and 3 white keys. The 3, 4, pattern has 3 black keys and 4 white keys. Memorize the short poem below me. It says, 2 black keys, 3 white keys, and 3 black keys, 4 white keys. Let me repeat that again. 2 black keys, 3 white keys, and 3 black keys, 4 white keys. There are 2 keyboard grouping patterns. 2 black keys and 3 white keys. And 3 black keys and 4 white keys. We will use the grouping patterns to learn the names of the white keys. To do this, we will learn a little poem. Listen carefully. Here we go. 2 black keys equals C, D, E, and 3 black keys equals F, G, A, B. Let me repeat the poem several times. 2 black keys equals C, D, E, and 3 black keys equals F, G, A, B. 2 black keys equals C, D, E, and 3 black keys equals F, G, A, B. 2 black keys equals C, D, E, and 3 black keys equals F, G, A, B. Repeat this with me. Are you ready? Here we go. 2 black keys equals C, D, E, and 3 black keys equals F, G, A, B. 2 black keys equals C, D, E, and 3 black keys equals F, G, A, B. 2 black keys equals C, D, E, and 3 black keys equals F, G, A, B. 2 black keys equals C, D, E, and 3 black keys equals F, G, A, B. Very good. Memorize the poem below.
Professors Moxie and Gibson introduced you to 5 keyboard patterns. These patterns are 1. Chromatic pattern, 2. Black and white pattern, 3. ABC and pentatonic pattern, 3. Grouping pattern, 4. CDE and FGAB patterns, 5. You also use the ABC and pentatonic patterns to play the melody pattern for Mary Had a Little Lamb. We will use the tool below to review each of these patterns. Then we will repeat the chromatic pattern to see how we build a complete keyboard. To get started, click the play button. Better yet, read the review instructions. It is important to instantly recognize each white key by its letter name. This will only happen if you practice doing so. I recommend you do the following. First, practice identifying each group of 2 black keys and say, C, D, E. Next, practice identifying each group of 3 black keys and say, F, G, A, B. When practicing, use the keyboard with the black and green arrows. Pitch is the sound made when you press a key. Each key has its own pitch. We use these pitches to write the melody of a song. In this exercise, you will use this keyboard to play Mary Had a Little Lamb using the pentatonic pattern and the ABC pattern. Read and follow the instructions below me.